Private Elisha Arvin Bodoobra, a soldier assigned in this jungle. Every day here is a challenge with thick forests, harsh weather, and unknown dangers around us. But as soldiers, we stay brave, disciplined, and ready to protect our nation and our youth. No matter how difficult the environment is, we stand strong and continue to serve with courage and honor.